NFTs are a new asset class with unbounded potential. NFTs are both low velocity and non-fungible, meaning they don't change hands very often. As a result, the open market has a difficult time pricing them. Both real estate and physical art rely on appraisals for efficient price discovery. So NFTs require an efficient, real-time pricing mechanism. It would tear down barriers to adoption, enabling a new wave of powerful financial products within this burgeoning asset class. Introducing Upshot 1. Upshot 1 uses peer prediction, a novel field of mechanism design that incentivizes experts to give honest answers. Experts are queried and their answers are compared to their peers. A new mutual information measure that analyzes correlation pays people for honest answers. Communities of experts interact with Upshot to deliver quick and accurate pricing of NFT assets. Upshot enables NFT and DeFi experts to capture value from their diligence, accuracy, and expertise through monetary rewards. Real-time NFT price discovery enables a suite of new and powerful decentralized financial products to exist. Learn more about how Upshot 1 works at Upshot.io.